This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Liz Livernoy, Barbara Terranova, and Kara Halloran. Don't miss this terrific opportunity in Cedar Lakes, offering a spacious floor plan of over 1,400 square feet, open living, LVP flooring and so much more. This stunning home is ready for you right now. Low maintenance exterior with a fenced-in yard and a privacy fence provide just the right amount of yard. Many improvements have been lovingly made to make this home move-in ready. Roof, HVAC, water heater, LVP floors have all been done with the last 5 years. Pack your bags and schedule the movers. Cedar Lakes welcomes you just in time to kick off the new year. For more information, review the details below or contact Liz Livernoy, Barbara Terranova and Kara Halloran at 757-348-0032.